almost like it is all the time.
Hello, 390, 390, B333, 5180. Just in the backseat of the Cadillac. 5180, the backseat of the Cadillac with the tinted windows and nobody knows who's in the back. 5180, you're 501 around Boston. Is correct.
501
5180.
over there around Boston.
Hey,
I think it was 501 is what you said. Got 142 over here in Texas. Hello.
To me, I talk so slow, guys. I can't figure. I talk so fast. Boy, we need to make like a half, but we need to make it.
I heard somebody say, how about you 142? That, man, you're kind of down in the mix there, so I didn't catch all that there. Go ahead.
Hey, 142, I'm going to try to get it back to you. Hey, 142, I got this Cadillac sitting on high ground right now, so hopefully you can hear it. 501, working this Fleetwood around Boston, Mass, getting on down.
I heard somebody said they had their Cadillac parked up somewhere, and I didn't catch your numbers.